Are you looking a web hosting solution that's nearly free yet offer limitless possibility? You are in the right place here. Today, I am going to show you how to use AWS S3 for fast, almost free hosting with no storage limits, provides a free URL for your website access, can handles unlimited traffics, allow you to create as many websites you want, maintain high availability of over 99.9% and is completely ad free. Let's dive in and set up your website with all these great features. We will use Aurora Design a fashion e-commerce HTML static website throughout this tutorial. If you would like to use the same template, check out the link in video description below. First, you need an AWS account. If you don't have, sign up clicking create AWS account. I will log in my existing account. Once logged in, you will see the AWS dashboard. Here, search for S3 to start setting up the hosting. Let's create a new bucket named Aurora Design. We will enable SEL to allow public access and acknowledge these settings. Next, enable versioning to keep track of and revert the changes if needed. Since I also host enterprise application on AWS, I take my bucket by application name to keep the service organized. Now let's create the bucket. Once created, I will update the website which includes HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and image files. Depending on your internet speed, this might take a while, so feel free to relax and grab a coffee. After uploading, we will set the files to public. Go to Action, select Make Public using SEL, and confirm. Next, enable static website hosting in the bucket property. Select Enable, set index.html as your default page, and leave the error document blank for now and save the changes. With this setup, our website is live. Let's check it out. The AWS generated URL isn't very user friendly, so I will shorten it with tinyurl.com so that it can be easier accessed and shared. I will choose Aurora Design that can be accessible using tinyurl.com/Aurora Design. Use and share this tiny URL to access the website. That's how you deploy a website on AWS S3. For enterprise application, like deploying high traffic static website affordably, check out my tutorial deploying high traffic static website on AWS for under $1 per month. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe and leave any question in the comment below. I am here to help you.